And this is what? Blindfold taste testing? I'm Haggy.
I'm Nick Paul.
I'm Haggy.
I'm Paulie.
And this is the Halloween candy taste test.
If you get this, I'll be shocked.
Dude, I don't, this looks like a, I don't know. I'm not good though. Oh, it's kind of like a turtle. Tastes like a turtle. There's like coconut in there.
Turtles have coconut?
Yeah. No, they definitely don't. Your Ferrero Rocher. No.
It's an almond crunch?
These things are money, man.
Those are good.
So good.
Oh my god, you got easy ones, dude. Is this a jawbreaker? It's a turtle.
It might be.
It's a turtle. That's a turtle, no?
I would consider it a turtle. I think in Canada it's turtle.
What was it here? Like tortoise?
Baby.
Oh, what?
Baby.
Baby milk?
Baby Ruth?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Sure, right?
Junk.
You want easy or hard? One's like, you'll
Give me
get
a
like,
good candy, dude.
you'll like these.
These are the worst, man, aren't they?
You want to do one?
These ones are brutal. Are these Maynards?
You'll like this one.
Oh, I already know. Is this the chocolate with the licorice thing in it?
No.
Oh.
Oh.
That is fruit. I have no idea.
Come on.
I've never had these things before. This is brutal. I don't even know what the heck this thing is.
Turtle.
Yeah.
It feels the exact same. Dude, oh, it's like the caramel inside. Oh, lots of jib.
It's a caramel inside.
Oh, like a graham? Oh, what's it called?
But,
Butterfinger.
yeah.
And you're gonna get this one.
Okay.
This is the easiest one.
I hate this. Oh my god, this is a Reese's Pieces, but I hate Reese's Pieces.
What?
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't like Reese's
we gotta talk
Pieces.
about this.
I don't like chocolate really.
That's like the best. It's like
I
you don't like peanut butter?
No.
What?
No, I don't like it.
Wow. All right.
I don't like it. It's like my worst.
That's my go-to.
It's like my worst chocolate. I'm giving you Tony.
Nerd. He's a nerd.
He's a nerd.
Just be ready!
He's gonna hate this.
Oh, these ones are.
Oh,
These are
the little
marshmallow.
the marshmallow bunnies.
Yeah, marshmallow bunny.
Right?
I don't really like it, but
Oh,
these ones are brute.
it's gotta be yellow, right?
I got a. Mine might be white.
Got like a coating on the outside.
Try it.
Where is it?
Where are you? Where are you?